here to celebrate an extraordinary day, the day when the Indian tradition was about to be changed. This very day we take opportunity to bring forth the incredible efforts of an extraordinary lady who fought for the rights of the women. The very first woman teacher of India, our nation. The great feminist leader Savitri Bai Phule. As it is rightly said, उन्होंने बंदूक से हमला किया, हम कलम से हमला करेंगे. उन्होंने पीछे से हमला किया, हम आगे से हमला करेंगे. Savitri Bai Phule, with the huge support of her husband, Jyotiba Phule, fought a different sort of fight for the rights of women. The fight is so different because it didn't include the wars, the weapons, but it has a special weapon of education. To illuminate more about the efforts of Savitri Bai Phule, I request Ansari Dania from class 9th to speak few words about Savitri Bai Phule.
सुप्रभात. आज आपण 5 दिवस सावित्रीबाई फुले यांचा जन्मदिवस साजरा करत आहे. ज्ञानज्योती सावित्रीबाई फुले या भारताच्या पहिली महिला शिक्षक व सामाजिक सेवा आहे. त्याचे जन्म 3 जानेवारी 1831 रोजी साजरा जिल्हा नारायणगाव झाल्या. नव्या वर्षाला विवाह ज्योतिराव फुलांना याच्या केले. त्या काळी समाजातील बालविवाह, सत्यप्रथा, जातीभेद, अंधश्रद्धा या वाईट रूढी दूर करण्यासाठी ज्योतिराव समाजातील शिक्षण करण्यासाठी ठरल्या. सावित्रीबाई फुलेने अनेक कार्य महिलांसाठी केले. समाजातील महिलांसाठी शिकवण्यावर महान कार्य करताना सावित्रीबाई फुले अनेक समोर जावया लागले. सत्यावरून जाताना त्याचे लोक अंगावर दाबून शिकवले, पण त्या अनेक कार्य करताना चाहून ठेवले. त्याने स्त्री कार्य करताना सुरक्षित सजग बनवलेल्या समाजातील अंधश्रद्धा दूर करण्यासाठी व स्त्रियांना सुरक्षित करण्यासाठी अनेक परिश्रम केले. आभार.
Thank you very much, Dania. It was a lovely introduction for Savitri Bai Phule's efforts. Moving further, I would like to mention that today's day is an extraordinary day as we celebrate Balika Divas also. So moving further, I invite Umme Kulthum from class 6 to present Jhansi Ki Rani.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम. दूर फिरंगी को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी. चमक उठी सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी. बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुँह हमने सुनी थी कहानी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. मेरी झांसी नहीं दूंगी.
Very nice act by Umme Kulthum. Further, I invite Zikra Lokanwala from class 7 to present the role of Jijabai.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zikra Lokanwala from 7th. I am the mother of Shivaji Maharaj. I am known as Rajmata Jijabai. I was born on 12 January 1598. I was married to Shahaji Bhosle. I have inherited the knowledge of politics and welfare from infancy. I was freedom-loving person with a great sense. I am the true guide and guru in Shivaji Maharaj life and the role model for today's women. Thank you.
Lovely performance by Zikra Lokanwala, very informative. To call the next student, before I would like to add on some lines. This day is when India got a great feminist leader, the one before which India was witnessing women to be imprisoned within the four walls of the houses. It was Savitri Bai Phule and her husband's support that we all are here, we all teachers are here, we all fe- female teachers are here, we all girl students are here. So I invite Fatima B. Jafar from class 8 to present Savitri Bai Phule.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Khan Fatima B. Jafar from class 8A. Assalamualaikum. My name is Khan Fatima B from class 8A. I am Kranti Jyoti Savitri Bai Phule. I was born on 3rd January 1831 in Naigaon, Satara district, Maharashtra. I am regarded as the first woman of. I am regarded as the first lady teacher of India. I am also regarded as the mother of feminism. I am the eldest daughter of Khandoji and my mother name is Lakshmi. I and my husband played an important and vital role in improving women's rights in India. I also enrolled myself in training two teachers. After completing my teacher's training, I started teaching the girls at Maharwada in Pune. I and my son opened a clinic in Pune at 1857 at the time of pandemic, at the time of third pandemic, worldwide third pandemic. In the process of saving the son of Babaji Pandurang Gaikwad, I got plague and I died at 10th March 1857. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was very lovely to hear our students are so knowledgeable about the efforts of the different lady leaders. Moving further, another extraordinary lady who really brought change to the world, not only to the nation. The Nobel Peace Prize winner, Mother Teresa's role is about to be presented by Sheikh Afra from class 9.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Afra Sheikh from Standard 9A. Good morning to respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. My real name is Agnes Gauja Boyashu, but I am also known as Mother Teresa. My father is a businessman and my mother was a housewife. I grew up as a beautiful lady, but I never wanted to get married. I decided to become a nun when I was just 12 years old. As I just wanted to serve people with my kind nature, with love and compassion. I spent a lot of time caring for the people from low-income families and taught children education. I decided to help. I spent a lot of time helping the elderly, disabled, and the injured. I think we should all take inspiration from the good deeds in my life and try to help people to make this world a better place. And as I rightly said, if you can't feed 100 people, then just feed one. Thank you everyone for listening.
Lovely, very nice, very well depicted. Moving further, there is another extraordinary lady who proved the statement that women are the weaker creatures of God. The next personality, Malala Yousafzai, proved this statement to be wrong, to take the shot on her foot and fought against the terrorism. I request Shahiwala Sadia from class 10 to depict that.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficial. I am Malala Yousafzai, the youngest Nobel Peace Prize laureate and the Pakistani feminist for female education. I I was born on 12 July 1997 to a Pashtun family in the Swat district of Pakistan. My father, Ziauddin Yusufzai, is also an education activist. I am particularly inspired by my father's thoughts and humanitarian works. When I was in Swat, it was a place of tourism and business, suddenly changed to a place of terrorism. The women were blocked of education. They were slaughtered. They were stopped from going to school. At that time, I was having two options: either to speak up or to remain silent and kill. I chose the first one. The terrorists tried to stop us, but neither their bullets nor their ideas could win. We survived. And now I am working for female education through Malala Fund. Thank you.
Very nice performance by Sadia, Shaiwala Sadia. Last but not the least, but it is very important to mention, I really take pleasure to express myself that this was a great pleasure, great enthusiasm, and to celebrate this very day. And the enthusiasm was more increased to see the efforts, the enthusiasm of the parents and the children. Last special act by Sumaira Bakar will definitely prove our enthusiasm for the celebration of this day. Sumaira Bakar for mono act from class 6th.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मी सुमेरा बकर इयत्ता 6वी वर्गाची विद्यार्थिनी आहे. आज मी एकांकिका सादर करणार आहे. आज सावित्रीबाई फुले यांचा जन्मदिवस. सावित्रीबाईंचा विवाह वयाच्या अवघ्या 90 वर्षी झाला होता. त्यावेळा त्या शिक्षित नव्हत्या, पण त्यांचे पती ज्योतिबा फुले यांनी त्यांना लिहायला वाचायला शिकवले. ते शिक्षण घेत असताना त्यांना खूप संघर्ष करावा लागला. म्हणूनच मुलगी लग्न होऊन सासरी जाते तेव्हा ती सासरच्या कचाट्यात संपडते. हुंड्यासाठी अन्याय वंशाला दिवा पाहिजे म्हणून अन्याय स्त्रीला सहन करावे लागतात. अरे म्हणून या समाजाला माझं एकच सांगणे आहे, अरे स्त्रीला जगू द्या, स्त्रीला जगू द्या, स्त्रीला जगू द्या. अरे ती बापाच्या हृदयाची फंकर असते, ती आईची सावली असते तर भावाची बावली असते. तिलाही ती घरची लक्ष्मी असते. तिलाही अधिकार आहे कलीचे फूल होऊन जगण्याचा. जगू द्या, तिला जगू द्या. कलीला पूर्णपणे उतर द्या. धन्यवाद.
Lovely performance by our students. Bringing our program to the end, I request Miss Mehwish Khatri to present the vote of thanks.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to thank our principal ma'am for giving us this opportunity to celebrate this day. Secondly, I would like to thank all the teachers for their efforts, and last but not the least, students for their hard work and making this event more creative and meaningful for everyone. Thank you.